Hello everybody. We have a barn find Honda MTX 200. I just brought the bike yesterday to my house, so I didn't start it yet. I was told the bike is there's no second gear, and actually it's auto loop system in it, so it's oil injection, but someone took off disconnected the oil pump. I got it in a spare bag, so I have it. So I'm going to try to start this bike. I think it's 9082. Yeah, 9082 model, and it's pretty original. Has a original exhaust. All plastics are intact. I think the seat cover was changed. It's different. There's no indicators on it. All the switches and everything are original. Also speedo is there, so have a look on it. It looks like the running gears, I say chain and sprockets, someone changed them. I can see the new sprocket here and new there. Also the chain is new, and I just connected the tube into the carburetor, so it's getting petrol directly. It's a premix in it. So that's the Honda MTX 200 9082. So I'm going to try to start the bike now in a few minutes. I just check. I think there's no petrol in it, so I just need to. We'll see how it goes anyway. If it's running well, I'm going to strip the engine down and see. I only had about a liter there left, so I think that's enough to start the bike and see if she fire up or not. Choke, run. There's no key in it, so I just put that switch into run, and let's try it. Not starting yet, so need to have a look. something like spare ignition here. I don't know what that is. Hopefully, we need to check for a spark.